welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? Make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and be a fan of because that's getting this getting about gangs, period. I'm back with another nail video. It's long overdue. I just ended up going on vacation one day, packing all this stuff and not unpacking it because I don't have like an official nail place. Like, this was just in our room and we wasn't using it, so I just started putting our nail stuff in it. But I haven't put my nail stuff in it for so long. Baby ended up putting his stuff back in it, so I'm just gonna start organizing all of this stuff and then we can get into some press on nails. But give it a thumbs up if you love these type of videos so I could do it more often. I got these specific Kiss nails from Target and I've been getting a lot of feedback of people saying that they have the exact same nails. Honestly, they were the cutest ones that I could find, so that's what I went with. And of course my favorite color is pink, so you know, I had to choose these. But first and foremost, I'm starting to prep my nails. I'm taking off my cuticles. Some people push them back, some people cut them off. I cut them off as good as I can, and whatever I can't get, I just I push them back.
Yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany.
This is what it looked like when I finished them all. I honestly took about 30 minutes because I didn't want any type of lifting. And I'm just going to go in with a mild nail filer and get all of the protein that I have. And just making sure that I have a really good base for when I put these nails on, because I do not want them to lift.
Water on my plants, and I just might take a painting, read every book, then I'll learn to cook from there.
When I get my nails done, I get them extra long, but I knew that I wanted to be mobile. I knew I wanted to be able to do my daughter's hair without struggling, because y'all already know if you have a toddler, it's stressful and it is really time consuming. So this was just the perfect length for me. And when I finished figuring out which nail went on which finger, I got a lint-free wipe, and then I'm just wiping off all of my nails with the dehydrator from Young Nails.
That's where I will be.
Shout out to everybody who was on live watching me do this. I asked them if I should put super glue or regular glue, and everybody, well, not everybody, but a lot of people chose the regular glue. So that's what I went with, and I was really shook because the hold was more than I thought it was gonna be. After I put the glue, I instantly put the nail on and held it down pretty firmly for 30 seconds until I moved on to the next one.
Cypress trees, Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and read Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. Honestly, I can just see myself chilling, Tuscany. Dress, looking all cute.
Boom, this is what it looks like. Super flawless, super real looking after about 30 minutes.
Take on my phone and stick right to you. I'm really bored. Please don't ignore.
For the opposite hand, I decided to do the acrylic method. As I was watching some press on nail tutorials, I saw one of the comments saying to try acrylic for the adhesive. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I greatly regretted me doing my dominant hand with the glue because that was the easiest one. So if you guys are gonna try like the half and half thing, I would recommend doing the acrylic with your dominant hand. This was my least favorite method because the whole feeling was super weird. Like, it wouldn't stick at all. Like, after I pressed it down and lifted my finger up, the nail would come with my finger. It was super annoying. If you've tried this method and it works really well for you, drop some tips down in the comments for me and anybody else who's curious, because this was really a struggle. I don't know if the consistency of my bead wasn't right or what, but it was a struggle. Watch what happens when I'm trying to take a cute picture. Boom, my pinky fell off. I had to go through the whole process again, which is fine because this is how it turned out. It came out really nice, and up close you can tell that they're press-ons, but far away you really can't. So I really love this alternative. I'm definitely gonna keep practicing acrylic, but I just loved how fast this was. If you're a mom or you're just super busy with school and all that stuff, press-ons is a way to go because if one falls off you could just stick another one on. Hey y'all, so it is literally, okay, why is it zoomed in so much? Excuse my ratchetness, but it is a week later. I'm gonna show y'all what my nails look like. Brace yourselves. Ah! So this one broke off like a day or two after I did it, and this is what I use for acrylic. I'm not gonna give, I don't know, I think it's just because the nails are super thin, that's why I expected it to break. But honestly, like the first 2 days I was really surprised on how like sturdy they were, especially the ones where I used acrylic with, because like they felt like they wasn't sturdy at all. Like they were moving around, like they didn't feel like they were gonna have a strong hold. So I'm shook, but this was one of those nails with the acrylic, it fell off. These two was with the glue, they fell off. When I was watching press-on nail tutorials, everybody was talking about the glue, how it matters. So if you guys have experience with press-ons, let me know the glue that's like to die for. When I went live on TikTok, I don't know if I told y'all, but I asked them like, should I use this super glue, should I use this glue, or should I just use the regular glue? And everybody said the regular glue, and I wanted to just keep it safe because I didn't remember what glue everybody else used anyways. So yeah, I do have a couple promos where I have like product promos that I have to do. So I am going to try to find 3 or 4 more nails and like reapply them. And then after that, I want to say I'm gonna be done with press-ons, but they're so fast and convenient. Like even though they did fall off over some time, I can just easily file and then stick another one on, you know what I'm saying? Get ready for Vlogtober because we post it every day. If not on my channel, on the Rich Family channel for sure. We're really pushing that. That's priority because y'all really love when we all together, and it makes great memories for us too. So I love you, Nessa gang, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.